So check this for me, everybody. Make sure that you've got your red dot sprite selected. You don't want the bug selected because we're about to do the code. In Scratch, all code that we write ends up on the character. So if you're coding and then you see all of a sudden, oh, my code's disappeared, it could be because you're on a different sprite that you haven't yet coded. It could also be that you're on the stage. That's a very common issue. We need to be on the red dot, and you can see this blue border around it. That tells us everything we code now will be on the red dot. And coming over to our block palette, I'm going to events again. I'm choosing the green flag, just like before. I'm choosing the forever loop, and I'm choosing the move 10 steps. So this dot's going to move across the screen just like our bug did to start with. But the block that's going to make the difference today to the red dot is if on edge bounce. And when I click the green flag now to run the code, you can see that this bounces back and forth. Every time it gets to the edge, it's checking, and every time it realizes, oh, I'm touching the edge, it spins around and goes back the other way. And so we've got the start of a game here. We can kind of come in and out, move around. The bug follows the mouse pointer all around, and we can just try and avoid. Now, if I go through the red dot, you'll notice that nothing happens. Why is that? Can you tell me? Yep, you've guessed it. It's because we haven't coded anything to happen when these two things collide.